name's Khaleesi and we're making smoothies. And I'm going to show you what we have. This is about 2 cups of yogurt.
Okay.
This is 3 cups with milk.
Okay.
And this is 3 bananas.
Okay.
This is a lot of strawberries.
Yeah.
And we're going to do it right now. So you see this, we're going to use our new VAVA, and
cool.
you see the buttons. You don't press this when you're putting in the ingredients.
Oh, okay.
You have to put in the ingredients first.
Ingredients first.
So you put in your
It's a lot of yogurt, huh?
Mhm.
What kind of yogurt are you using?
We're using a vanilla.
Oh, low-fat yogurt.
There we go.
Cool.
Then we're almost done with the yogurt.
Scraping it as much as you can.
Yep, and that's how much we can do. There we go. Then we want to do the liquids first.
Okay. Smart. Ooh, look at that.
Then you can put, you can choose whichever one you want to put in first. I want to put in the banana. Then here goes the other 2. Go. Put in it like that. Then you have to put strawberries by 1, by 1, by 1.
Got a lot of strawberries. Think it's all gonna fit in there?
Yep. Then you want to do it slowly. There we go. And you want to put in this.
Sure, it's sealed all the way down.
Then
Good job.
you put in the power. Then it turns into that color. Red, it keeps on flashing. Then you do smoothie. I said that you want to get all that goodness.
Okay. I think it needs to be stirred a little bit more. Stirred good? Okay, turn it off now. So with this machine for the smoothie, it counts down automatically.
Now let's start looking
Oh my
at it.
gosh.
Oh my, that looks so yummy. Good.
Oh, wow. Okay, we should grab that and see if it's all mixed together.
Yes.
She's eating already. Okay, mix it.
Mixing, mixing. Oh
Make
my.
sure there's no bananas or chunks of strawberries. How does it look?
Good.
Okay.
Oh my, look at that.
Wow.
You can eat all of this on it.
No, don't do that. You're going to contaminate everything. Okay, put it in the container and then fill up your own cup.
Yay. Oh yeah.
There you go.
And guys, look at our big cups.
Be careful though, okay? It's very heavy.
You just
Okay.
want to do this.
Slowly, slowly go for it.
Then you just fill it up
Mm-hmm.
till you like it. I like it like that, but
Okay.
next cup, you want to do everybody's cup, even your mom's or dad's. There we go. Okay, we still got a lot.
You still do have a lot. Wow, that's a lot. You're going to be drinking smoothies all day, huh?
Yeah. But you put a little bit more in the other ones.
Okay. Good.
Okay,
Wow.
Nope, I'm
There you go.
still putting it.
Oh, you're still putting more in? Okay. Be careful.
Then we do what we gotta do.
Wow. This is all
There we go.
so delicious. I wonder if it's sweet. Mmm. Okay. Test try.
Want to try it?
Sure.
Cheers. How does it taste?
Yeah, it tastes sweet.
Is it sweet?
We put in a lot of bananas.
Does it taste like more of bananas or more of strawberries?
More smoothie.
It's more. What does the flavor taste like?
It just tastes very yummy.
Mmm. Good job. High five.
High five. And people that made it.
Oh.
Hold on. People that made it. Cheers.
Yay. Say goodbye.